Hello everyone, and welcome back to my art channel, Angela Mutavi Art. I am Angela, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I painted this beautiful landscape. I'm going to show you step by step how I painted it, so please watch through all the way to the end and you will see how I painted it. Here are the paints that I used. There's a list of them, and also I have some brushes. The brushes I used are mostly 2-inch brushes, and then I have 1-inch brush there, and that is a mixing paint. A mixing brush, and that's a 1-inch brush, and all the material that I used, and also I'm gonna use this palette knife and a liner brush. That's a liner brush that I'm gonna use mostly for just drawing the tree trunks and signing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Most of the painting, throughout the painting, I'm gonna be time-lapsing some parts, but it is very simple to follow along, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And another thing I was gonna tell you guys, thank you so much, guys. We have hit 1,000 subscribers. I cannot believe that we have a little bit less than a year we have hit. I have hit 1,000 subscribers, guys, and it's all because of you. Your help, you subscribing to my channel made it happen. I can't thank you enough, but just thank you, and yeah, let's keep the momentum going. Let's hit 10,000 subscribers this year. So yes, thanks again, and I appreciate you. Right now what I'm doing is just mixing some paints for just to start the vegetation, like the bushes and the trees. So what I did there, I mixed Van Dyke brown, I mixed some red and some blue. So I am going to mix up that really well, and then start making some painting some vegetation there. Now this is really far away, so you actually don't really need any shapes, just basic shapes really. Those are some bushes that I'm painting there. Here I was trying to make the sky a little bit lighter, but then I ended up putting darker color, and it looks fine because my painting I want it to end up looking like it's about to rain, but there's no rain yet. So once this is all done, it will look like tropical forest. So yeah, keep watching, guys, and I really appreciate you being here. I really do appreciate your support. Thank you, and share with your friends and family again if you like this video, and just thank you for supporting my channel. I am without words. But God will bless you. God bless you so much. And I will see you at the end of the video, and I will show you the final result. And yes, thanks again.